Alright, today I'm going to go over how to make my bacon cheeseburger meatballs. Hamburger meat, bacon bits, cheese, pork rinds that are crushed, garlic, adobo, a couple eggs. You need an ice cream scoop, and then a big bowl to mix, and parchment paper to put everything out. So now that we have everything kind of ready to go, put the meat in the bowl. Add the bacon bits. I just kind of eyeball it where I feel like there's enough of the different things. Garlic powder. And of course, adobo. Now, I'm using pork rinds that are crushed as my binding agent instead of using panko chips or breadcrumbs. And then this is 2 pounds of meat. This is going to make me 18 meatballs. So I use 2 eggs to as the binder as well. Now the next part's going to be to mix this all up, so I'll spare you all the mixing. I'll be back when it's done. Alright, so now that I have everything well incorporated, the next part is going to be to use my ice cream scoop to scoop out 18 balls, put them on the parchment paper, and then once they're done, they're going to go in the freezer for an hour. And once they harden up, I'll bag them into bags of 6, and that'll give me 3 different servings of the meatballs. Alright, so I ended up with 1 extra this time. Usually I can get them even on to 18, but I'll take the extra. So now that that's done, I'm gonna just roll the balls, and then they're gonna go into the freezer. So I kind of stacked them in little groups so I know it's easier to keep count of which ones I'm doing. That's it, now they're gonna go in the freezer. So once the hour's up, I take the meatballs off the freezing tray, put them in bags of 6, and now I'm actually heating up my ones that I'm gonna carry for lunch today. And that's it. Enjoy.